done. I'm done. I'm not done.
Okay, now you open page number 6 from your English grammar book. Page number 6 from your English grammar book.
English grammar.
I will quickly tell you about this chapter. This chapter 1 from your grammar book was about chapter 1 from your grammar book was about the noun. So a noun is a person, place, thing, or an idea. Every sentence must have a noun. 4 types of nouns are there: common noun, collective noun, proper noun, and abstract noun. So we have already learned about all these types of nouns in the previous class. And today we will start doing the exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Write English grammar or English language at the top of your page.
Ma'am, wrap that line. Ma'am, please wrap that line.
Which line?
This line. That black line.
I can't see any black line.
Yes, ma'am, I can see. Ma'am.
Yes.
I will write in the copy.
Yes, you will write only in the copy.
Okay, ma'am.
English language, chapter 1. Then exercise. Always maintain this. Whatever you are doing, what are you going to do? Write that at the top of the page so that you can also understand when you will read it later.
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse me. You will write in copy or book?
you will write on copy.
Ma'am, copy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am has yesterday that we will write in copy.
Write A1. This one I have also discussed with you that you need to write the common noun and proper noun. Which one is the common noun and which one is the proper noun, right?
We have to write the common.
Yes, in the first sentence, the common noun is A and the proper noun is Shakespeare. So the sentence is, I have read a play of Shakespeare. So play is the common noun and proper Shakespeare is the proper noun.
Ma'am, please stay for 1 minute.
Next. Number 2. The
Family.
sentence is, soon our family plans to visit Manali. So
Proper noun.
the common noun is family.
The proper is
The proper noun
Manali.
is Manali. Very good, very good. Manali is the name of a place. So this is the proper noun.
After that, writer. Writer is the common noun.
Okay, let's see. Mohan wants to be a writer. So writer is a common noun. Very good.
And Mohan proper noun. Mohan proper noun.
And Mohan is the proper noun.
Yes, ma'am. After that, cookies. cookies.
Okay, let's see. Number 4, Radha likes cookies. Yes, cookies is the common noun.
Cookies. And Radha is the proper noun. But Radha is the proper noun.
Yes, and Radha is the name. So this is why it is the proper noun.
Proper noun. And king is the common noun. King is the common noun.
Next,
King is the
King
common noun.
Dushyant was famous for his wisdom. So king is the common noun.
King.
Yes,
King.
very good. Right.
Common noun. Common noun. And Dushyant.
And
Dushyant
Dushyant
is the
is the proper noun. Yes.
proper noun.
Proper noun is Dushyant.
Then one has completed.
Complete.
We also have completed.
Very good.
We have written.
Now you go to the section B. Will write B here. 1. Here you need to write find out the following sentences which words need to be capitalized. So here you need to write the complete sentence. You need to rewrite the complete sentence. Write with me. Rishabh had a birthday party. Had a birthday party on Sunday. Okay. So in this sentence, you can see that I have capitalized the R of Rishabh and the S of Sunday because both are nouns. Next, my family enjoyed our trip to Dubai. So yes, Dubai. My family enjoyed our trip.
Dubai.
D will be in capital because Dubai is a place's name. Yes, it is a proper noun. Next, Garima has a pet dog named Sky. So G will be capital letter and S will be in capital letter. So right, Garima has a pet dog. Has a pet dog named Sky. So S will be of capital letter. Next, did you find eggs for Easter? E, yes. So did you find eggs for Easter? E of Easter will be capital. You should write the E in capital letter. Next, number 5. Naman, Aman and Ramit drove to Delhi. So N of Naman, A of Aman and Ramit, R of Ramit. Drove to D of Delhi. That one will also be in capital letter. Next, number 6. Diwali and Holi are my favorite festival. Diwali, D of Diwali. Sorry.
And H of Holy.
And H of Holi are my favorite festivals. Okay. Next, go to number 7. I went to Pizza Hut last Sunday. So I went to P of Pizza Hut.
Sunday.
Yes. P should also be in capital.
P and S.
Yes. Pizza Hut last Sunday. S of Sunday.
June. Africa and June. Africa and
It is very hot in Africa during the month of June.
Africa and June. Africa
Yes,
and June.
very good, very good. It is very hot in Africa during the month of June. During the month of June. Okay,
I'm done.
complete.
Ma'am, complete. No, ma'am.
So,
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am, complete.
okay, take your time.
Ma'am, you will also do the seat.
Yes.
Okay.
So this was section B from the page 6. So we have completed the exercise of page 6 today, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pujan Bhakto, you want to tell something?
No, ma'am.
You raised your hand, you see? Okay, okay, okay. Whenever you will complete writing, you tell me that ma'am complete. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, all of them had done.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So let's
no,
just
ma'am.
quickly.
No, ma'am.
So as
How
I
many
said,
times did we say?
So as I said, we have completed the exercise of chapter 1. From that exercise, the page number 6 we have completed, and tomorrow we will do page number 7. Okay. of the same chapter, same exercise. In page number 7, there are 3 sections. We will do that tomorrow.
What now we will do?
Okay, now we will, first of all, we will see what we have done from the very first of the very beginning of our, in the very beginning of our class. We started
Yes,
with
ma'am.
writing a paragraph, a short paragraph on breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just reading this one. You also match with your writing, whether you have written properly. If there is any mistake, you can correct it yourself. Breakfast, 5 sentences are there about breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's a perfect thing to wake up to after a long sleep. There are many different kinds of breakfast foods that people eat, like breads, eggs, juices, etc. It's an important source of energy for the day, so we should never stay in an empty stomach in the morning and always eat our breakfast.
Yes.
Then we have done the exercises of chapter 1, page number 6, A1. There are some sentences from which you need to write which word is the common noun and which word is the proper noun. I have read a play of Shakespeare. Here play is the common noun and Shakespeare is the proper noun. Soon our family plans to visit Manali. Here family is the common noun and Manali is the proper noun. Mohan wants to be a writer. Here writer is the common noun and Mohan is the proper noun. Radha likes cookies. Here cookies is the common noun and Radha is the proper noun. King Dushyant was famous for his wisdom. Here king is the common noun and Dushyant is the proper noun. Next section B. Here you have been given some sentences are given here, and all of the words in the sentence are starting with a small letter, right? So here what you have to do, you need to capitalize the letters which are needed. So the letters are, in the first question or in the first sentence, the letters are R and S. The sentence is Rishabh had a birthday party on Sunday. So R of Rishabh and S of Sunday should be capitalized. The second sentence is my family enjoyed our trip to Dubai. Here the D of Dubai should be capitalized. In the third sentence, Garima has a pet dog named Sky. The G of Garima and the S of Sky should be capitalized. Did you find eggs for Easter? Here the E of Easter should be capitalized. Naman, Aman and Ramit drove to Delhi. Here the N of Naman, A of Aman, R of Ramit and D of Delhi should be capitalized. Diwali and Holi are my favorite festivals. Here the D of Diwali, H of Holi should be capitalized. Number 7, I went to Pizza Hut last Sunday. Here P of Pizza Hut and S of Sunday should be capitalized. And the last sentence is, it is very hot in Africa during the month of June. Here the A of Africa and J of June should be capitalized. So that's it for today.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait. I'm not leaving now. I have something to tell you.
3 minutes are left.
Yes.
3 minutes are left.
All of you have written what I have told you.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood everything?
Ma'am.
You understood all the words?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problem?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, if you have any problem anywhere in this class, just feel free to ask me. Okay, anytime. So next we will again meet in the science class after 10 minutes. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.